Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix heating problem in your OPPO smartphone and how you can fix it. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing with these type of issues, you have done something wrong. So firstly, if you are charging your smartphone and while playing games in your smartphone or doing heavy tasks while charging your smartphone, it will definitely heat your device because the load will not the burden of the load or the charge speed also depend on your uh, performance you are doing. So if you are doing heavy task gameplay while charging it, it will definitely heat. So avoid these things friends. Then friends, charge with only adapter that is in the box accessories of the OPPO smartphone only, or you can buy it separately from the OPPO website or any Amazon, Flipkart. Then friends, if you have installed any high task or heavy gameplay game that is not supported in this device and you are still playing, it will definitely heat your device, or you are using it in high frames and high resolution for a long period of time, it will also degrade your battery, drains your battery and heat up your device. So delete them and install them so quickly as you can. Then friends, it will fix after some days when you just avoid these things and clear your storage if it is full. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.